Howdy, it's Van McCoy, Master Distiller and Master Mixologist at Mayberry Spirits Distillery. And today we're going to make a mojito. We're going to be using our Crystal Moon sorghum whiskey. This is a clear, unaged whiskey that's really a little closer to a tequila and a rum in its taste profile. Get a very silky mouthfeel and a nice clean finish on this, so it makes a great southern change-up for all of those rum and tequila drinks. So for our mojito today, I'm going to do a lime mint mojito. You could use any kinds of fruits that you want to make this particular drink, but this is going to be one that's a little more traditional. So we start out by taking just a splash of our alcohol in our large highball glass, just a splash, because we're going to be muddling some of our fruit. So in this case, I'm going to take a little bit of mint, and this is fresh mint that I have just picked, and I'm going to put a handful. So I'm going to say 8 to 10 leaves inside the drink, and then we're going to muddle those very, very gently. Mint leaves are very, very delicate, so you don't want to squash them too much. You're not trying to destroy them. In this case, I'm going to add just a little bit of lime. I'll go ahead and squeeze that just a little bit to get some of the lime juice. But what we're trying to do is not destroy the fruit, but just to get those essential essences to come out. So about 6 or 8 of the muddling motions. So we're just squishing it a little bit right there. All right, 7 and 8, just to start getting those essential flavors to come out. And then we're going to fill this with crushed ice. Alrighty. Then we're going to put an ounce of our Crystal Moon in there. So our liquor is the Crystal Moon, again close to rum and tequila. And then your favorite lemon lime soda, Sprite or 7-Up, or any kind of lemon soda is fine. You're just going to finish filling that right up. And then you want to give it just a little gentle stir, not a big one. You don't want to make the carbonation too much, but what that does is helps to move some of those muddled fruits up into the drink. Then, in this case, because we are using lime, I'm going to use a little lime garnish on here with the mint, and then just a little bit of lime that will set on the edge, just for a pretty kind of drink. So we've got our lemon and our lime, and you want to put your straw just right next to that mint so that when you pick it up and take a sip, your nose is right there and you're getting the bouquet from your mint and your lime. So, in any case, we have just made a Mayberry Mojito. This one was with fresh mint and lime. Let's give her a sip and see how she is. Good. Mayberry Mojito, mayberryspirits.com. Cheers.